In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy links from 1688 and Taobao. Whether you're saving items, sending them to a sourcing agent, or sharing with your team, the goal is to grab the exact product URL. Let's start with Taobao. Open your browser and go to taobao.com or world.taobao.com for the global version. You can browse without signing in, though logging in is fine if you already have an account. If it's in Chinese, use your browser's translate feature to make navigation easier. Search for your item using the search bar, or click the small camera icon to upload a photo and run an image search. When you find a result you like, click the product to open its dedicated page. On the product page, move to the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll see a long link, something like https item.taobao.com/item. HTM bind ID XX. Don't worry if it looks lengthy or has extra characters. Highlight the entire address, then copy it. You can right-click and choose Copy, or press Ctrl+C on Windows. On a Mac, use Command+C. That's all you need to capture the exact product page. Now paste it wherever you need it. Drop it into a chat, a notes app, a message to a forwarder or messenger, or a spreadsheet if you're tracking items. Use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste. If you're building a catalog, add a short label next to the link so you remember what it is later. Next, let's do the same on 1688 on a computer. Open your browser and go to 1688.com. Use Translate if needed so the interface is easier to read. Search by typing keywords in the search bar, or upload an image using the camera icon to find visual matches. Click the product you want to view to open its page. On the product page, select the URL from the address bar. You'll see a format like https:/detail e8.com/offer xs. Highlight the entire URL and copy it via right-click copy, or use the shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Paste the link anywhere you plan to use it with Ctrl+V or Command+V. That's it. Quick and reliable. With these steps, you can confidently capture precise product URLs from both Taobao and 1688, making it simple to share, store, and act on the items you find. If a page takes a moment to load or the link looks long, that's normal. The key is selecting the full address before copying. Keep your links organized and you'll move from browsing to ordering with far fewer back and forths.